Hey guys, you're watching Dansky, the place to be to develop your creative skills, and today we're going to be doing something super creative with
Good, it's happened already.
Super creative with shoes. Should we do that again?
Yes. Hey guys, this is Dansky.
Oh,
He wants to talk about shoes.
Hey guys, you're watching Dansky, the place to be to develop your creative skills, and today we're going to be doing something super creative with shoes. I'm joined by Amy from Amy's ShoeShoes.
Hey.
She's my good friend, and she's very, very good at making creative, awesome shoes.
Yeah, so the deal is I customize shoes to make them more fun. The whole thing is like customize shoes for the inner you, and this right here is a boring shoe. There should be rules against this.
Very boring, very plain.
However, we've had a bit of a stroke of genius, and we are going to turn this shoe into something much more interesting. I know, I don't know what possessed me. So, we're going to take this boring shoe and we're going to make it a little bit more Razer-y.
Yes, my new laptop that I got recently, and we had a conversation about doing some kind of collaboration, and we're going to try and make some Razer inspired shoes, something like that, with some black and some green.
Bam! It's like a snake
green
from
laces.
above.
Green.
This is my other colour today.
So we've got some green laces, black shoes, we've got paints, we've got loads of cool stuff, and yeah. So what we're going to do now is we're going to jump to the screen and we're going to start doing a mock-up, just kind of get some ideas flowing, and yeah, have a think about how we're going to attack this very boring shoe with a bit of colour and a bit of life. So
I think we might be using green, Dan.
we might be using green, possibly, maybe. Should we jump to the screen?
Yes, let's see what we get up to.
Right, so we've done the mock-up, we're going to get to it now and get creative, super messy, get some paints out, and
I'm going to paint his face.
she's going to paint my face, so let's get set up. Right, okay, so we're all set up. What on earth is all this stuff? Do you want to talk me and everyone through it?
Right, I bought my entire craft room today. Where to start? Probably the paints. They're going to be our stars of the show.
This is paper.
This is card. Yeah.
I failed. I failed.
First hurdle. Yeah, very important distinction. That is a 120 gram card.
It says it on the packet as well.
Yeah. Right, so I have a selection of my favourite acrylic paints here. I've got 3 types of green, 2 of which are neon. And one of them is just a standard green. So neon means that it's that day glow, ridiculously in your face colour. It should react to UV light as well.
Okay.
So it's really going to pop, especially in the sunshine. I've also let's not. Stop rushing. God. Control freak. No.
Keep the scissors and fire away from Dan.
What have I done? I also have found some glow-in-the-dark dimensional fabric and craft paint pen.
It's amazing.
I've never used it before. I don't know if we'll use it today.
I feel like we have to. If you've never used it and it's glow in the dark.
I have my favourite glow-in-the-dark paint that I use on fabric and shoes quite a lot because it's definitely glow-in-the-dark. So a lot of the glow-in-the-dark paint isn't very good. But this one by Tulip, sorry brands, this one's really good.
Cool.
My favourite glue, which may or may not be used today, Because I did bring some glitter.
Hey, we've got glitter.
Don't have to use it, but I bought 2 shades of glitter, and that's what the
Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens.
I've got black and white paints. So white will be the base, so that the neon really pops. I said the word pops. I think.
I know you said it twice already.
I feel a bit sick.
It's okay.
Take a moment.
Let's all stay calm. Let's all stay calm.
Right, and the black will be like almost an eraser for us. So if we fluff up and get too much green paint everywhere, we can just go over the top of it with this one. I have 3 different sizes of masking tape.
Wow.
Fat, middle, and skinny.
I've never seen a roll of tape this thin before.
It's not.
I'm a fiddler.
I know, just. We've got a pot of water. This pot has actually been used for pour painting, which is why it's covered in backwards paint drips.
It's creative, I like it.
This mat has also been used for pour painting and spraying and glittering
It's got
and
strawberries on.
everything. Yes, it has strawberries on. So from quite a nice fat brush to quite a stiff brush. One of my favourite brushes for kind of creating some coverage. And then a very tiny detail work brush.
Tiny.
Ruler. Scared myself.
Like a twitch.
I scared myself with my masking tape. My elbow hit these
Did you make yourself
and
jump?
I freaked out. Cutting mat. Never cut onto your work table. Just a work table.
Work table.
Your work table. Never cut onto your work table. A scalpel without any blades in it, and the blades for it, which I taped up. 2 different sizes of scissors. A palette, well used. A little spray bottle, which we may or may not use.
Is that to like squirt me if I get really irritated?
I'll just fill it with water and be like, stop it!
Also, can we just take a moment to acknowledge the peacock attire?
So this is from an amazing shop on Portobello Road in London. And it's all, the t-shirt is recycled, so like upcycled.
Ah, cool.
And then they amend it.
What noise do peacocks make?
Are we going there, are we?
Yeah.
You ready for this?
Yeah.
Oh, sponges? Did I mention the sponges?
You didn't mention the sponges.
Makeup sponges.
We've lost a sponge.
So magically the sponge may appear. Let's use the mind powers. Oh, there we go.
Sponge retrieval.
So good. Right.
Okay. Right. Should we get creative?
Let's get physical.
Let's do it. Don't know what this was. Let's go!
I just wanted to let you know I have finished making a mess in Dansky's studio. Hopefully he hasn't noticed too much. Here are the finished product. I think you'll agree they look absolutely fantastic. They're just drying at the moment, so I don't want to mess around with them too much. However, it's a little bit sad. I didn't get to use the glitter. That's okay. I found another use for it. Dan! Yes, this makes me happy.
This is the first time I've seen it. I think it looks exquisite. It looks like a Christmas tree. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Something a bit different. I really enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments about anything to do with shoes, leave them down below or check out Amy's channel. There'll be a card up here. I can never remember where it's going to be, but there'll be a card on screen. If you want to give Amy some love, check out her channel. But as always, like this video if you enjoyed it. Take care. This is the bit we do like good synchronized.
Okay.
Ready? You ready? Take care, and we will see you next time. Are we still here?
Are we meant to do something now?
I think we're still here.
We should tidy up, right?
Yeah. Should we go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I think he's gone, guys. There's no savings.
Nobody home.
I think I might need to burp. No,
You can burp.
I'm not going to burp on camera. Well, I probably.
She should definitely burp on camera.
Right.
I'm waiting.
For what?
The burp.
Dude.
Dude. Sweet.
Today's video was brought to you by the letter P for peacock.
That's it. That's a wrap. I'm done.
Yeah.